Welcome back to lab 1. So here we have seen so far the working of a push button. We have seen the working of a push button, we have seen the working of a slide switch, we have seen the working of a dip switch. So now we are going to see a set of switches working together. Let's take a LED. Let's pick one more LED. Okay. And I'm going to pick two slide switches. So effectively after picking one slide switch we can insert another one that controls the control beyond this also. So this is the next slide switch. Okay. Of course we need power supply and ground. So let's pick that. This is VCC. And this is your ground. Okay. So I am connecting both the LEDs cathode terminal to ground. And pick both the for using the connection. Pick both these LEDs. Both the LEDs cathode terminals are connected to ground. So what I'm going to do is from the VCC I will connect it to the first switch. From here I'm connecting it to the switch, and from here I'm going to connect it to okay. So again I'm going to use this contact. Let me use another switch. Okay, so I'm going to pick a third switch. Taking this contact. Connecting it here. And this contact. Take and connect it here. Now let's see under what condition. Let me pick a different color for a blue LED and a red LED. Under what condition red LED glows and under what condition blue LED glows. Let's analyze that. I'm going to start the simulation. Okay. As soon as I am starting, this blue LED is glowing, red LED is not glowing. So let us understand what is happening here. So from VCC, you are seeing that it is coming to this switch, and this is normally on position of this switch, which is connected to this. Again, this is a normally on position of the switch. So two normally on contacts are connected. So this is glowing. Correct? Whereas for a red LED, this is coming here, and this contact is broken, and this contact is intact. Because this contact is broken and these two switches, see, think about this. The current that has to flow to the LED has to flow through both these switches. These two switches are one after the other. This one after the other connection is what we call as a series connection. So these two switches are in series. Now this switch with respect to this contact is off. The first switch with respect to contact 3 is off, and the second switch, which is in series to switch 1, even though its contact is on by default, current cannot flow here because this contact is off. Now I am going to operate this switch. Let's see what happens. If I operate this switch, you see that this LED is off, this LED is on. If I operate first switch, red LED goes on, blue LED goes off. If I operate the second switch, both the LEDs are off. Why? Because even though the first switch is on, the second switch is now off with respect to this position. Correct? So we are expecting both the switches to be on. Switch 1 to be on and switch 2 to be on for the LED to be turned on. Correct? Similarly, the other way around. So operate all these switches and see for all the condition of the switches what happens, and observe under what condition which LED is on. Okay, so this is going to be the last portion of your lab 1. After this you will be doing the exercise of lab 1. Practice this connection thoroughly and explore different connections between these switches, which will be very much useful for you to attempt the exercise problem. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this lab. Practice it and all the best for your exercise problem. Thank you.